So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you some cleaning motivation as always. I'm just going to be doing a light tidy up this day because I had a lot of stuff going on. So if you are ready for this motivation, go ahead and leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get to cleaning.
Even when I'm down in the lower.
I'm starting out in my son's room and it never really needs a lot of attention. I am just changing his sheets, making up the bed. I'm going to fold all of his laundry and then we're going to move on.
Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in my fears is like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Harder keeps the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Daisies keep.
If this is your very first time visiting my channel, I just wanted to introduce myself really quickly. Hi, my name is Sean Yvonne and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2, and I make motivational cleaning videos just like this one every Sunday and Wednesday. So if that is your thing, I would love to have you here as a friend. Please consider subscribing. Go ahead and introduce yourself down in the comments so we can chat. And to all my loyal returning subscribers, y'all are the best, okay? You keep me going. I appreciate you always coming back for another video.
Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside.
So this day I was actually able to check off my to-do list. I only had 5 things on there that I wanted to get done, and I got all 5 things done, and I was so happy because the day before our AC stopped working again. It was so hot and miserable. They were in and out all day long fixing it. They had to put a completely new outside unit in, so now we have working air, but I wasn't able to film anything when I needed to, so I put together this video really quickly, and these are the things I got done. I wanted to get my son's room done. I wanted to make sure that I folded the laundry. I also wanted to start another load of laundry, clean both bathrooms, and I did put that I wanted to sweep and mop the hallway, but I realized that I did that like 5 times yesterday because people were in and out, so I crossed it off the list and I was able to complete every single thing.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe
These little plastic drawers for my son's clothes were so dirty, so I pulled out the Force of Nature and a microfiber cloth to give them a quick wipe down.
your ego
wanted to put my son's shirts in the drawer standing up like this, but me knowing him and how he operates, I know it's better for me to lay him flat so that he can see everything he has, because he does pick out his own clothes every day, and that's just what works for him. There will be no frustration if he can see everything he has.
Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day 24/7, yeah, every day I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close.
Now moving on to washing my son's comforter and sheets really quickly, and I'm also going to start that load of laundry that I had on my to-do list to do.
I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed.
Moving on to my son's bathroom, I wanted to quickly show you how everything was looking. It really needed to be clean, so we're about to get that done right now.
Running, yeah, every day 24/7, yeah, every day I will come running.
And today I am using slightly different products. These are products that my sister had given me. I've never tried this Clorox foaming bathroom cleaner, so I'm trying it out today. I'm also going to be using my Bon Ami powder in the sink and the tub because I just like it. It works.
Babe, and days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day 24/7, yeah, every day I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching.
I had given my son an oatmeal bath, so I really wanted to scrub out the tub really well this day. So I'm just using some of that foaming bleach cleaner, and I'm also using my Bon Ami powder to get it clean. One thing I don't like about using products with bleach is that I normally bleach my clothes, and your girl cannot be bleaching all her clothes, okay? But this day I did really well, and none of that Clorox got on me.
Oh, 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 I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, dig deeper, I knew some more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases.
Yes, I had to be extra and spell my name, okay, cause why not?
I've gone before, like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh, 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 I go oh, 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 I sing along, but the look in your eyes when you told me goodbye is the one thing on my mind. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun.
And now it's time to put my son's comforter and sheets in the dryer and start up another load of laundry. And then I'm gonna move on and clean my bathroom.
Oh, I go oh, 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 I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, before I knew sound more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules. I've gone before, like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh.
Now it's time to clean my bathroom. I'm so happy because this was the last thing that I had on my list. Sometimes I need to learn to just relax and breathe. I go so much. I do a whole lot and I'm usually just maxed out every single day. So this day I decided to have a light cleaning day, only do what needed to be done and nothing extra so that I can relax and just really rest, because I feel that I'm so tired all the time because I don't take the extra time to rest. I'm so hard on myself about getting things done, but we don't always have to get everything done every single day. Like, it's okay to just have a lighter cleaning day, just tidy up a few areas and rest.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while
I want to mention that those jars I have up on the countertop were old candle jars that I just cleaned out. I actually got the idea from a girl on Instagram. I cannot think of her name right now as I'm doing this voiceover, but I will put it in the description box when I go back. Hopefully I think to do that, but if I don't, please remind me to link her name because that was a really good idea. I get so many candles and I just throw away the jars, but they can be really useful around the house.
even when I'm down in the lower, I remember.
I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down this door. I've been putting it off for a while. This door was filthy, okay, and it gets touched so much because our trash can is in there. I also store like cleaning products and linens, so we go in and out of this closet all the time, and it was just about time to wipe it down.
Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight.
If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like. It really does help my channel out a lot and lets me know that you're liking the content I'm putting out. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. You know I love chatting with you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Daisies keep on getting